and welcome to the overcrowded craft table. Today, with Easter just a few days away, I am going to try to pour paint some chalk. These I got at the Dollar Tree. You get 6 pieces for $1, and they are egg-shaped chalk. And as you can tell, maybe, I've already drilled a little hole in the bottom. See, just plain chalk. And the hole is big enough to stick a toothpick in. That way I can stick them in a piece of styrofoam like this, and this, and the paint can go all the way around it. Yeah, I know, I'm genius. No, I actually saw somebody else do it, but that's my idea. I have everything I need. I hope. I have tons of paint. This is all paint that I have used for other pours. Don't need much. I have my water, toothpicks, these little tiny cups so I can put the paint in there and pour it on top. I have my baby spoons in case I just want to scoop it out and dump it on top. I have, of course, the popsicle sticks to make sure that the consistency is at least not clumpy. My gloves, which I will forget to put on anyway. My paper that I'm going to put over the styrofoam so I can catch the drippings and use it later for some jewelry that I'll show you how to make sometime down the road. And I have you. So, what's not to love, right? So let's get to work, shall we? And there you have them. These actually turned out beautiful, and it didn't take long to dry. I will be varnishing them, probably just a spray clear gloss on them, but I ended up having so much fun that I didn't know when to quit, and you can see where I bumped the other egg. But this one actually reminds me of a tulip. There's a couple of them that do. This one also just kind of reminds me of a tulip. And very sturdy. This one, I'm not sure, but I really, really like it. Just a little bit of everything. How much fun the kids would have. I mean, really. Messy. Yes, definitely messy. And then I call it my calming egg, because you have to actually be able to see all the little things that are going on, but it keeps you occupied for a long time. But so pretty. The zebra. I love how this turned out. Just the black and white together. Just doing what it does. How pretty. And not one alike. Same paints, different colors maybe, but none of them are ever, they're all especially unique. And I honestly think these paints have their own mind. Like, oh, today I want to go here, and today I want to make bubbles, and just so much fun. But there it is, a Dollar Tree chalk in the shape of eggs. Pour a little paint on them, let them dry, and one of a kind. Just absolutely beautiful. And I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to might let you know when I make more of these fun messes, and I'd love to have you join me. And I really appreciate you taking that 5-10 minutes out of your day to stop by, say hi. Speaking of, say hi down in the comments. Let me know that there is somebody out there. And you have a great day, a great week, and I promise to see you soon. Bye-bye.